Hi children, now we see about our respiratory system. The respiratory system is made up of nose, windpipe and two lungs. Here, this is our respiratory system. This respiratory system is made up of nose, windpipe and two lungs. Now see about the nose. The taking in and giving out of air from the nose is called breathing. Now what is breathing? Breathing means the taking in and giving out of air from the nose is called breathing. The hair and the sticky liquid mucus in the nose filter out the dust particles. Inside our nose there is a hair and sticky liquid mucus is present. Okay, when we inhale or when you take air, that time this air is containing a dust particles. Liquid and hairs are avoid dust particles enter into our system. Liquid mucus is play a very important role in our respiratory system. Okay. Now from the nose, the air enters a long tube called windpipe, and this air enters into the windpipe long tube. This long tube is known as a windpipe. This windpipe, the air enters into the two lungs. Now how the lungs are functions we see here. Our body has two lungs which are inside the chest region. You know our chest. Okay, inside our chest region, these two lungs are present. Now when we breathe, that time the air you breathe fills inside the lungs. When you take air inside the lungs, that time the size of the lungs is increased. The oxygen in the air in the lungs passes into the blood and the carbon dioxide in the passes into the air. In the air there is a lot of amount of oxygen is present. When you inhale the air, that time lot of oxygen is present into the air. This oxygen is passes into the blood through lungs. And in the blood there is a carbon dioxide is present in our body. This carbon dioxide is passes into the air. These two ways are here. One is oxygen is passes into the blood, and other one is carbon dioxide is passes into the air. The air you breathe out contains more carbon dioxide. When you breathe out the air, that time this air is containing a more amount of carbon dioxide, and when you take, listen here, when you take inside the air, that time this air is containing a more amount of oxygen. Oxygen is used by the body while carbon dioxide is waste and is removed from the body. When we inhale the air, that time our lungs are increased in size because these lungs are filled with air. Bring out air, that time this size of the lungs is become small. So this is the cycle. We take the air, that time oxygen is containing. When we giving out the air, that time this air is containing a carbon dioxide. This is the process of respiratory system. Understood you children? Okay, thank you.